Good morning everyone! Welcome to Charm Residences by SMBC. So this is located at Felix Avenue, Cainta, Rizal. We offer here ready for occupancy units and free selling units. Why and best in Charm? Because of the prime location. From the location, within 10 minutes to the LRT Line 2 station, linking Antipolo to Ligarda. And of course, the nearby malls like SMCD Masina, SMCD Marikina, Ayala Malls, Santa Lucia Mall, yes, and Robinson's Metro Inn, and other nearby establishments. So this is the Tower A. So this is the reception area. Okay. And then, ayan, pasok. And this one is magkabilaan. Elevator po sa Tower 1. Sa Tower 1, ready for occupancy tayo na. For as low as 5% down payment, makakakunin na kayo. And of course, this is the amenity between the Tower A and Tower B. And sa bawat tower po ay meron siyang amenity. Okay, 10th floor lang po, bawat building po ang ating mga unit. And then, we offer here 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms with loft type style. Ayan. Pwede pang staycation. Kung gusto nyo lang for rental business, yes, pwede. Staycation, marami po dito, mama. Staycation. And for inquiries and site viewing, ma'am, just let me know. Kailan po kayo available para makita nyo po yung site in actual. Okay, so ayan po yung mga pictures natin, site development. Yes, we do have a Charm Mall din po sa harap natin. Thank you for watching. This is Ria Padilla.